Oh my goodness. Okay guys, what is up? How are all of you guys doing today? We have a big package filled with a bunch of, and I mean a bunch of amazing clothes. And these are all from the sponsor of today's video, Minimal. That's M-N-M-L, Minimal. Now, if you guys want to buy any clothing off Minimal, they do a whole bunch of awesome stuff. My camo pants you always see me wearing, and these jeans that I have on right now, they do really awesome clothes for very affordable prices. Link in the description and use code TOM10 to save 10% off your order. They have huge sales going on right now. We're gonna look at all the pieces they sent me later on in the video, but seriously, Minimal, thank you for sending over the clothes. Thank you for sponsoring the video. 1 second. Well, it only took until January 17th, January 18th. It finally actually looks like winter. Yes, I am wearing my bread ones in the snow. Whatever, it's water. It's not gonna hurt them. Feel free to fight me. The snow's been on the ground an hour and it's just like it's melting already. I mean, I'm generally not a fan of winter, except it's not that cold and there's a bunch of snow. It's not that bad.
When I was 12 years old, give everything just shot of the world. Can I get a grip every time? I try to hold on, I slip deep in this feeling that gravity pulls me down. I know I'm
So do you guys remember a couple of days ago when someone messaged me about the restock at Times Square for the Bread 11s, except we got there like a day and a half late and they didn't have them anymore? Well, that guy was nice enough to send out a pair of shoes to me. And I always love it when this happens, when I just get free shoes in the mail, but more so from subscribers. He messaged me about that and I was unable to get them, and he was like, hey dude, while you're at it, I love watching your videos. Is it cool if I send you a pair of shoes? And if you don't like them, that's cool. You could just put them in a mystery box and pass them on to someone else. And I was like, dude, seriously, thank you so much. And I graciously accepted the offer, and a couple days ago, these showed up in the mail. So I am very excited to, ooh, I see a Nike box inside. They are my size. He did note that they were a size 12. So we have, oh, what do we have? I'm so excited. Hopefully there's something pretty freaking cool. I'm not expecting like a hyped up pair of shoes or an expensive pair of shoes at all, but I would love to see something that, you know, I like the colorway of. And oh, he left a note too. Look at that. I appreciate the content you put out. I hope you enjoy the kicks. Also, please wear a helmet more often. I will wear a helmet more often. I promise you I'll wear a helmet more often. Ooh! These are actually very nice. Wow! I like these. It's the Element React 55s in this white. It sort of immediately reminds me of like either a Duke or a Kentucky color. Just white with that blue check, blue on the bottom right there. These are really nice. I have never worn a pair of Element React 55s. I've worn the 87s, which is almost literally exactly the same shoe except for the material on the upper. This is a great pair of shoes. Thank you so much, Bay Area Hype 3. That's his Instagram name. I don't know his real name. I wish I did. Dude, I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. This is really cool, and I will appreciate these and wear these, not right now in the winter, but in the spring and summer when it gets warmer, these will definitely be on my feet. And dude, thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate getting gifts like this. You guys are the best.
When I'm hungry, she feed my soul. When I'm lonely, she keep me company. It's funny. I used to wanna grow older, travel with sight in these rounds. So they realize that she got me out of my mind.
So speaking of mystery packages in the mail, mystery boxes are still for sale. If you didn't, whoa. That rhymed. If you guys didn't see the video I put up on Saturday, basically what we're doing for this mystery box is one person that purchases this $50 box that does come with t-shirts, Rejuvenator goodies, and some other sneakers, including Yeezy 700 V3 Azales, Yeezy Yay-Chills, like almost a dozen pairs of Jordan Retros, a whole bunch of Adidas sneakers, like 28 pairs of sneakers, one box for $50. gets the Jordan 1 Off-White Chicago. It doesn't matter what size you buy, everyone is eligible all over the world. I know lots of people are asking for Puerto Rican shipping. We are going to be adding Puerto Rican shipping. Link is down in the description. They sold incredibly well on Saturday in my last video, but there is still a few left. Small is almost gone, double XL is gone, triple XL is gone, and then medium, large, and extra large, the numbers are slowly going down on the stock of those. We wanted to put like a decently limited amount of boxes just so everyone has a pretty good chance of getting something amazing in their boxes. So link down in the description. Get yours before they're gone. They will probably be gone by Tuesday or Wednesday at the absolute latest. And as I said, certain sizes are getting sold out very quick. Let's talk about sports now. Sports. I'm a giant basketball fan, and New York is one of the largest epicenters of basketball in the world and has one of the most mediocre and embarrassing sports teams of all time. Knicks fans, I'm sorry, but they're just so bad. Saturday evening, I decided to go to a Knicks game, and they were playing the Philadelphia 76ers, probably my least favorite team in the NBA, just by virtue of being a Celtics fan. I mean, there's the Lakers too, but the Sixers just really annoy me. Point being, there was this really drunk guy behind us that was screaming the entire game. He wasn't just screaming when something good happened or when something bad happened. He was just screaming because he was there. Like, the ball would bounce, the ball would hit the rim, a coach would call a timeout, and he would scream his lungs off like there was no tomorrow. I tried to film him for a minute or two. Like, this is not even nearly how bad it got at other points in the game.
Couldn't get Durant or Kyrie, either of them. You guys are Good day. Shoot it! Good day. Stumpy ass!
So yeah, that was my experience at the Knicks game on Saturday. If nothing else, it was very memorable. So at this point in the video, I need to give a huge shout out, as we said earlier, to the sponsor of today's video, Minimal. And we're going to take a quick look at all of the clothes that they sent me over. I mean, they have so many amazing things on their site. As I said, pretty much my entire wardrobe of cargo pants and jeans and khakis is completely made up of stuff that I've got from Minimal. It's absolutely amazing. Now, they also do jackets and tops, and I got this giant ass red puffer jacket from them, which is honestly amazing. Sometimes with these fashion brands, you don't really expect it to be functional as well, and you think, oh, well, the price is so cheap on this, it can't actually be a warm jacket. Incorrect. This is like an incredibly warm, incredibly comfortable jacket. I mean, this is one of the nicest winter jackets that I've ever owned. It's ridiculously red and loud. Oops, my camera almost fell over. The jacket's amazing. It's really warm. I really like how it looks, super comfortable. I would say go at least one size down. This is size medium and is even maybe a little bit big on me. Possibility I could have worn a size small. They sent over 2 amazing pairs of black jeans as well. Now, the first one is just a really, really simple pair of black jeans that you see me wearing right here. Just a nice little rip in the knee. Pretty tapered, but not like crazy skinny. I prefer sort of skinny jeans that aren't ridiculously skinny jeans, if that makes any sense to you guys, and these ones do the perfect job of fulfilling that kind of fit. Now, these jeans, on the other hand, are anything but simple. There are giant paint splatters all over the place. These are something you need to wear in like a very, very simple outfit. What I envision is like plain black t-shirt, these pants, and maybe a pair of white on white Air Force Ones or something like that. Something super simple where the only thing with color and only thing noteworthy in the outfit is these pants. I'm not super sure of exactly how to style these, but that's the cool thing with Minimal. Their prices are so good that you can sort of take a chance and buy something you're not 100% sure about. So as a result, I got these pants. I think they're absolutely amazing, and I'm really glad I took the chance because this is something I usually wouldn't buy. But now I tried it and I actually really like how they look. I got another jacket from them, which is something I really like. This one is more of, they call it a field jacket, but it's more of a little bit of a dressier jacket that you could wear on a night out or something like that. I think this would look really, really good with a pair of Chelsea boots and just some plain, simple, more refined clothing. Once again, this is something that I usually don't wear. I usually stick with my bomber jackets, my North Face jackets, stuff like that. So this is something different, something switching it up for me, but I'm really, really glad that I got it. I like the cut. It's sort of more of a cropped fit. The material is really amazing, and overall, amazingly good. Really like this jacket. Finally, the last piece we have, which is probably the most absurd piece we have. I got these purely for one reason and one reason only. These are an entirely reflective pair of cargo pants. They are all 3M reflective all over the place, and I thought this would be the most amazing thing ever to wear on my boosted board at night. I know lots of you guys worry about my safety, and there's absolutely no way a car isn't going to see me wearing completely reflective cargo pants at night. I mean, these things are out there. If you're a cyclist, if you have your own boosted board, buy these. They're absolutely ridiculous. I don't know how I would actually wear them in a normal outfit, but for boosted boarding around at night, absolutely love them. And then, of course, in addition, they did send me those blue jeans that I was wearing earlier today that we saw at the beginning of the video. Minimal makes some amazing stuff, and as I said, they have amazing sales going on right now. So link in the description to go shop everything. Use code TOM10 at checkout to save another 10% on top of all the sales they have going on. That being said, guys, I love you, I appreciate you, and until next time, peace.